ProbStats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 2 Wednesday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the following video and answer the 3 questions for your warm-up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go over a few things with you guys. One of which specifically is in regards to your classes that you would like to take for next semester. So the course request has been opened, and you need to let me know what you would like to take for your following year. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to be graduating, but some of you guys are still going to be here. So it's critically important for me to know where you would like to be placed for next year. Now, I do have a little chart here that I would like to share with you guys to give you a little idea as to where you need to get placed after probability and statistics. And so take a look at this diagram right here. So far you guys are on prop and stats. This is where you guys are. Okay, so next year, if you're going to be a senior, you have several classes. You can either pick a easier class, which will be Algebra 3 for your 4th year of math, or you can go into a class called Algebra Pre-Calculus, which is for seniors only. And this class, it is going to be a little bit more difficult than prop and stats, but not as difficult as trig and pre-calculus. You could jump from here to trig and pre-calculus if you would like, especially if you want to go into something that's math related in the future. Or from prop and stats, you can go into AP prop and stats. So those are your choices. So number 1 is Algebra 3. Number 2, Algebra Pre-Calculus. Number 3, most likely AP prop and stats. Okay, so these are your 1, 2, and 3 choices. So please let me know what class you would like to go into, especially if you're going to be here for another year. We don't want to take you guys out of a class if it's not necessary. So most of you guys, I think, will be good in algebra and then pre-calculus, or Algebra 3, or AP prop and stats. So make sure you guys have a conversation with me and let me know what classes you would like. All right, let's go to the MS team then. Okay, so for our MS team, I'm gonna go ahead and get the assignment going. We're gonna go ahead and create it, assignment. And it's gonna be week 2, Wednesday, and it's for prop and stats. Semester 2, and today you're gonna take your assessment on the confidence interval for small samples. Your instruction today is take the assessment attached to the assignment as a PDF document, upload your work to the assignment tab. Okay, it is going to be for 10 points. This is going to be for 2 classes, and it is due tomorrow at 3:30, or excuse me, Wednesday at 3:30. So let's go ahead and sign this. All right, so then let's go over here and take a look at your assignment then. Uh-oh, hold on a second, something just happened. No, that's not it. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. So then let's take a look at your guided notes for today, so that way you guys have a copy of it, and that way it's also available for you. So this is your assessment right here. It says find the 80% confidence interval for n equals 20, standard deviation equals 1.6, and the x bar is 6. That's the average. You're going to do the 3 steps from your notes, or you can go back to your guided notes on example 2 and kind of follow along with the same steps. And again, your assessment is just 1 question. Okay, this is the guided note that you need to print out for today. And I'm going to go ahead and just simply save this. Let's see here. Spring 2020 ProbStats Week 2 Wednesday. And let's do this on a PDF. Whoops. PDF. And save. Okay, let's make sure we attach this then. So I'm going to go back to 5th period. There's your assignment. Let's attach that. Week 2. And there is your guided notes. Okay, so it's attached for 5th period. Let's make sure we do the same thing for 6th period so you guys also have access to it. There's your assignment. I'm gonna go ahead and attach it. And open, here we go. And send. Okay, so this is your quiz. Okay, now you can go ahead and go over the questions over here as well. This is your guided notes. It asks you the same questions. So I also broke down the 3 different steps. Step 1, find TC. Then you're going to go and use the T table from Tuesday. Second, find the E, which is margin of error. And then third, find the confidence interval by plugging in x minus E is less than U is less than x plus E. Okay. When you're done with this, I want you to focus on the yellow part. It is for your quarterly goal. And it says my quarterly goal is I want to blank by the end of this quarter. So I will blank to reach my goal, give me your signature, and then give me your date. Afterwards, I have a second part of your quiz, which is take the quiz on Are You a Good Student? It's a 10-question multiple choice. Read the article, which is on this tiny URL right here. List 5 things that are not included in the article, and then give me those 5 things. So make sure you guys are doing that. This is essentially your assignment, and you need to make sure that you go ahead and turn this in and upload it onto the MS Team assignment tab. Okay, so the first part of your quiz is going to be looking like this. When it comes to Are You a Good Student? You have 5 minutes to take the questions here. It's not super long, but it is 2 different pages. After you're done with this, the next step that you're going to be working on is to read this article. It says then read the article on this link on how to become a good student. Make sure you guys read it. And then after you finish reading it, you're going to go ahead and list 5 things that's not included in the article itself. So 5 different things. All right, so then from yesterday, you guys had a little bit of your homework assignment. Your homework from week 2 Tuesday was to do 2, 4, 6, 8, 18, and 20. So here are your answers right here. For 2, 4, 6, 8, it's worth 1 point apiece. For 18 and 20, it is worth 3 points apiece because there are 3 different answers. So altogether, your total is going to be out of 10. And you're going to be turning this in on the back of your packet with the homework template. So I will be collecting that when I see you guys all next week. All right, you guys, make sure you guys get this done for week 2 Wednesday. As always, stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.